Hello and welcome to my channel, My Garden, My Passion. Today I am standing before this beautiful climber, and that is the clematis. The clematis is a very rewarding climber in the sense that if you remove the dead flowers at frequent intervals, then you can get such heavy blooming at least 3 to 4 times in a year. And this smell is so intoxicating, especially in the evenings. It has such a beautiful smell. So look at these beautiful flowers. There are many varieties of clematis or many species of clematis which I have seen in the US and all. But in India, it is this white one only that grows vigorously and blooms beautifully. This is a tropical clematis, while the others would be of cold climates. I'll put up some pictures of those clematis which I had seen when I was in the US. So look at this. It's also grown on a bower like this, and with the it has heavy growth, and so it will grow well if you put on a bower. And if you have it at the entrance of your house, then you can get good fragrance from that all through the evenings. You can have it in your garden and enjoy the beauty. However, make sure that the plant has complete sunlight. Grow it in sunlight. You can get these plants from the nursery, even if they cost you around 200 or 300 rupees. It's worth it because it is so rewarding and it will bloom so profusely. And otherwise, you can take cuttings from your friends and you can grow them. It grows easily from cuttings too. And moreover, if you see it in the morning, you can see a lot of bee activity in the mornings. So the flowers attract the bees not only for the fragrance but for also the nectar that they have in them. So it is one more plant which can attract bees and butterflies in your garden. So do grow this in your garden and you will be happy to see it blooming at least 3 to 4 times like this with heavy blooms. So I have it in my, I've seen it growing in my sister's house too, and I've monitored it and see that though it is a small climber, it blooms at least 3 to 4 times in a year. So just the fragrance is literally intoxicating. So the flowers are very delicate and beautiful. So that's it about this plant. It doesn't require much care. At the time of planting, you can have it. You can give the fertilizers once in a year. You can give it some vermicompost and with regular watering. It can also be grown in pots if you don't have much space. But here in this big garden, they have a metal structure here for it to grow beautifully. So hope you like this video, and if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In the coming days, I am going to upload many summer blooming flowers. This is also blooming in the mid of summer. It is blooming like this. There are other plants which bloom in summer like the Quisqualis indica or the Rangoon creeper and the Murraya paniculata. So look forward to those videos too. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.